fun driving, especially when you accelerate, press the throttle and you see the car just goes and you see the reflection in the mirror. Just awesome. My name is Liz Mazzarello. I am a banker by profession. I drive a 2005 Volkswagen Golf GTI 2.0 manual. Yes, it's a manual. My husband is a motoring journalist. He has the opportunity of driving all these fancy cars. So I'm into cars naturally. So now I've got a bonus where I get to drive all these nice fancy cars, fast, slow, mediocre, manual, auto, and it's a fantastic experience. I came back home. This car was actually a surprise gift for me. I didn't know absolutely anything about the car. But all I knew is I wanted another Volkswagen, so I didn't know if he was getting me this car. So I came back from work one day, and then I drove up in front of my house. I saw the Golf GTI parked right in front of my house, and it was, a joy to see it, right? And the first thing I did, got in the car, turned on the ignition, got the kids in the car, and I took it for a drive. And I pulled the gear, and I hear the engine, it's got this buzz that I like. It's got a certain buzz when you accelerate past 3,000 RPM. And it was fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. When they hear I'm driving a Volkswagen Golf GTI manual, that's a big surprise. I think because most people know the Golf as automatic, so when they hear about the manual, they're surprised. And the fact that a woman is driving it gives them more surprise. You don't know how much fun is it to drive a manual until you drive one. I drive it every day. In traffic, no traffic, I drive it every day. And I've got a really beautiful, lovely husband. He will even top up the fuel for me. My husband washes it. He sends it for servicing. The first thing I did after I got off school was got a job. Got my driving license, and immediately I started driving. It can be any car. As long as I get in the car, I just drive. Because I love driving. That's why I'm so enthusiastic, because I love driving. Anytime you want me to drive you, no problem. Just give me the car key.